Unlocking Cosmic Secrets, the James Webb Space Telescope. Since its launch, the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWS, has revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. Its infrared vision allows it to peer through clouds of gas and dust, revealing the secrets of star birth and the early universe. One of JWS's most profound discoveries has been the detection of atmospheres around distant exoplanets. By analyzing the light passing through these atmospheres, JWST can identify their chemical composition, providing clues about their potential habitability. JWST's observations are not limited to distant galaxies and exoplanets. It has also provided breathtaking images of objects within our own solar system, revealing details never seen before. From the fiery birth of stars to the search for life beyond Earth, JWST is pushing the boundaries of our cosmic understanding. And as we continue to explore the universe, we are reminded of the wonders that await us in the vast expanse of space.